What's up, people? Hope you're all having a good week this week. We got a big log, a big yellow pine to cut today.
Very big.
Yeah. Well, you know what? I thought it was very big. I assumed it was going to be, it's very heavy, put it that way. It's only 22 inches at the butt, but it sure felt a lot bigger. The bobcat didn't want to pick it up. And, you know, they say these mills are rated up to 30 inches or 29 inches. I don't really understand how, because I can barely get the clamp on this thing and it's 22 inches. So I don't know. I don't know if it'll handle anything larger than that, but that's what they claim. We're gonna get to cutting this thing up and hope you enjoy.
Hey, stay tuned till the end. We have a special introduction to our new family member at the end of this video.
Right. in the butt. The mill will usually cut down 8 inches pretty easy. Let me show you what I was doing. So I was trying to go ahead and cut, I'm cutting some 2x4s, true 2x4s. So I was cutting down 4 inches, and I was gonna cut down another 4 inches, and then another 4 inches. But when I cut that top log, I guess it had a little bit of pressure on it. It kind of bent up, it raised up off this thing a little bit. So what was happening was it was hitting the bottom, hitting right back in there, and I couldn't push the head forward any further on this second cut. I know I was supposed to cut that, but it just didn't have enough room because it was kind of raised up. So we had to slide that slab off onto the Bobcat so I can clear enough to cut that wide cut. Man, that thing is wide too. So we got that one off there. It was kind of a pain in the butt because it's so heavy. But anyway, we got that on, and I'm gonna cut this one down another 4 inches, and I'm gonna flip it up, and we're gonna start cutting our 2x4s.
Stepping on them. The other one's just right here.
Yep, we got a puppy. Dookie's got a friend now.
Come here. Say hi.
His name is Jetty.
Say hi.
He's a mini Australian Shepherd.
And he's 7 weeks old.
Say hi. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's cutting. Let me show you what we got out of those logs. Cut 2 pines, and we got, well, I got a lot more than this, but this is what a customer had ordered. They ordered 10 2x4s, true size, everything's true size, 1x10s, 1x8s, 1x4s, 4x4s, and we got all those cut. So I got most of this stuff is going to be cut down to size, like the 4x4s are going to be 8 foot long, and everything else is pretty much 14 foot. I got some more stuff on the mill. I might swap some of these boards out because these have a better cut than some of those 1x. But went ahead and cut up some of the rest of this log into 1x4s. If I don't sell them, I'll use them. And then we got some slabs and some other pieces out of it too. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.